What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Lauren, the owner of Nail GG, and I want to welcome everyone who's new and thank everybody who's already subscribed for coming back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a press-on nail supply haul, so sit back and enjoy. We're going to start off with a Valentino gel nail polish. I think I purchased about 8 of these little bad boys, and I have to say I am super excited about using them, although the reviews are kind of iffy, but still I'm excited about trying them. One thing that I can say that I read about the polish is that it is very well pigmented but very thick, so it's best to apply very thin coats and make sure you're curing at least 2 to 3 minutes between coats. So I have to keep that in mind because I am very heavy-handed when it comes to polish. I did purchase their coffee break set, I think the name of it is. So it's a lot of cute nudes, chocolates, and maybe even a black in there. And then I purchased another nude set. So again, I'm just doing swatches so you guys can see what shades I picked out, and I'm actually super excited to be using them soon. That will be another video, so be on the lookout for that. So if anybody's interested, these polishes are about $15 per bottle, and it is a standard 15 ml bottle. Next, we're going to move on to Loctite. Loctite is a putty that you would need to adhere your press-on nails to your nail stands. This is a non-toxic waterproof putty that is very strong. You can get this from Amazon for about $2.50 or 60 cents. This is a 2-ounce package, and it has about 5 little sticks in there, and a little bit goes a long way, so I should be able to have that for a little while. Next, we are going to, what is this? These are my dental bibs. So instead of using paper towels, I like to use dental bibs because they're waterproof, they're soap proof, and it's good in case you spill acetone or any type of polish or whatever. You don't have to worry about it staining your area and causing a big mess. Alright, next we have my nail swatches that I like to use whenever I am using new nail polish, new acrylic, or just for practice. You can get about 250 of these for about, I say $7 from Amazon. These are long stiletto. It does come with a binder ring for you to keep all of your swatches in one place. So yeah. Next, we're going to check out these 2XL tapered coffin nails that I got from the Attitude Shop. These are already pre-colored, so it's a nice nude in case you want to do a cute Frenchie or any other type of design that requires a nude background and you don't want to use polish or acrylic. You get 504 of these for $16.99. Again, I got them from the Attitude Shop. Next, we are going to open up this cute little box of Kawaii Gummy Bear nail charms that are really popular right now. And these are neon colors that I got for summer, and they're really cute, and I can't wait to use them. Alrighty, here is another box of Kawaii nail charms for junk nails. Pretty self-explanatory. These were, I think, $14 from Amazon. So you got some cute little lollipops in there, some rainbows, some little gummy makeshift candies, things like that. Alrighty, these are nail files, 180 240 grit. I'm sorry, I'm so tongue tied. 180 240 grit. I got 12 for $7.99 on Amazon. Next, we're going to unbox the double-sided tape that I use to adhere my press-on nails to packaging. This is a 3M size, so it's pretty thick. One thing to keep in mind is that if you decide to use this type of tape, make sure you keep the plastic packaging, because it will stick to any and everything and cause damage to the point where it's not usable afterwards. These are $6 on Amazon, and you do get 2 per package. Alrighty, next we're going to take a look at these transfer nail foils. This is by the brand Macbook. You do get all 3 boxes with your purchase. It was $24.99 on Amazon, and these work exceptionally well. I also used the foil glue by Macbook as well. So as you can see, I got some pretty floral ones, and whatever the other design was. These you can use on a pastel background or a clear background if you want more of a translucent look. I also got these other nail forms from Amazon as well. These were $4 and some change, and I think you get 10 to 12 transfer sheets. So the first one that I'm opening now is more of an animal print. So you got like some leopard going on, cheetah, zebra, I believe it is. Alrighty, and then the second one is going to be more of kind of like abstract pattern, maybe even African pattern. I can't remember the exact name. They actually make adult coloring books to resemble this pattern. So if you know, you can leave it in the comments. I don't know the technical term for it, but they're really cute and different. I like doing different styles. I don't really like to follow trends too much. So I felt like this will kind of spice it up a little bit. So lots of colors, lots of different patterns. I really like that purple one right there. So yeah, I'll be doing different nail sets with these nail foils in the near future. Alright, next we're going to unbox my nail tips from, I guess it's BT Art Box, and these are medium to long length coffin. I really love the box that it comes in. You get 10 sizes. These are ABS plastic, but they're pretty durable. When I first started doing press-on nails, this is the brand of nails that I used all of the time because I could not afford Gel X nails. If I don't use these for clients, I like to use these to practice and also to use them as display nails when I, post a listing on my Etsy shop. So this is the length of the nail, which will vary based on the length of your nail bed. But yeah, I would say more of a medium to long tapered coffin. Alright, next we have some more tips, and these are from the Attitude Shop. These are 2XL coffins, similar to the nude nails that I just showed you. They are already pink, so you can do some cute little nail art on top. Or if you want, you can buff them and seal them with a good top coat and sell them as is. What I really love about the nails from the Attitude Shop is that you can cut them to your desired length, and they are still very sturdy and they hold up their shape really well. So you get 504 of these for $16.99, and you can find their shop on Etsy, and they do have their own website as well. Alrighty, since I wanted to be bad and bougie, I did go and purchase some Young Nails Nail Swipe. This is a cleanser and a dehydrator at the same damn time. You don't really need this. This is just something that I wanted to splurge on. You can use alcohol if that's all you have. But I wanted this, so here we go. I also went ahead and purchased Young Nails Protein Bond, which I do feel like you need. Even though you are putting it on a press-on nail, it still is good to adhere the gel to the nail. You want to make sure you have a good foundation, and so that's why I like using that particular product to anchor my polish to the nail, and I do not get any chipping whatsoever. Fast forward to my AB nail crystals, also known as rhinestones. These will give you a beautiful rainbow shine. I love the box that it comes in. You get different sizes and shapes. It also came with this very nice dotting tool / crystal picker, which was really nice. You didn't have to buy an extra tool to adhere your rhinestones to your nail. This box was $25 on Amazon. Alright, and then we do have some clear crystals as well. These have a beautiful shine just like the AB crystals, but they're just clear, so it doesn't give you the rainbow look like the others. This box was also $25 on Amazon. This is just my base and top coat of my choice. I don't use that top coat for when I sell to my clients, just for my display nails, but I do swear by the base coat that I highly recommend. These two were $6.99 on Amazon. Alright, I got some more nail tips, and these are from a company, I think you pronounce it Una Gela or Gela, I don't know. But these are soft gel tips, and this particular shape and length is long tapered coffin. You probably noticed that I do have a lot of coffin nails, and that is because that is the most requested shape for my business. So I like to have a variety from different brands, different lengths. This is again a long tapered coffin. You get 11 of these, 11 sizes. So when I use this brand, I do a 22 set press on nail set. And then the other box is the same brand, except it is a short coffin, short square, which their short square is not necessarily short square, it's more of a medium square, and it might be long for some people, depending on the length again of your nail bed. So, and again, 11 sizes, so I would send out 22 nails if I use this brand for your nail set. Alright, more nail tips. This time we're going to review, or not review, just unbox, I guess, the Après nails. These are pricier than your ABS tips, and so I don't recommend starting with these if it's not in your budget. It's really not a big deal. The difference between these and the other nails is that these are made with gel and the others are made with plastic. So I purchased, let me see, medium square long stiletto, which is this one here. And what I like about their stiletto nails is that they're still really rounded, so you can round it out some more and make it an almond nail, or you can shape it to be really pointy. And they aren't super long, but they're still really cute. So that was the stiletto. And then this one is the short coffin, which is another popular shape for my shop, because they're really short and manageable for clients who are new to press on nails or who just don't like really long nails. With Après, you get 10 sizes, and you do have the option to go back and buy refill sizes if you run out of sizes really fast. Such as the number 5 nail, that nail always runs out the fastest. These are sculpted XL tapered coffin. So the difference between the sculpted and the natural press-on nails is that the sculpted is for more so for those who have the curved nail beds and you need something that has a higher apex. Last but not least, this is the collab with Cardi B's nail artist in Apres. These are 3XL stiletto. These joints are mad long but really cute. The apex again is really high, so I have to brainstorm some more on how I want to market these, because I think they would be best if they were applied by a professional nail tech. So we'll see. And guys, it wouldn't be me if I didn't forget something. So these are my cuticle oil pens. I am not going to take them out, but this is what I use when I sell my cuticle oil. These are good for your purse. This is what it looks like when it's full. So you get about 2 to 3 ml worth of oil. Sometimes I gift them, you never know. And here is a quick overview of everything that I purchased in the haul. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not feel like tagging every item and posting the prices. So if you would like to know, drop me a comment below and I will respond with the info that you need. Thank you so much for watching. I am supposed to tell you guys to comment, like, and subscribe, and also share if you enjoyed this content. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.